Compost stuff. Kitchen scraps, shredded paper, leaves from the garden. But there's no tub here. My oh my, what do you think I'm up to now? Let's see. Hi, today I'm going to do my compost in place, but differently. Not what you've been watching, another way that I do it. See this plant? This is a dazzling blue kale. Look how beautiful it is. And I want to feed that plant without using plant food. I'm going to feed it the way I compost. So let's go and I'll explain it as I go on my way. Oh, real quick, you'll see the soil as we dig up, because this has been 6 inches of wood chips and it's already turned into soil underneath the wood chips. Just the top layer is wood chips. Underneath is already beautiful rich soil from the wood chips breaking down. Oh, and that's what's breaking it down, these grubs, along with many other things. Now you don't have to go too deep. Let's see, I've gone, about 8 inches deep. And now I'm composting in place. I'm gonna put some shredded paper and just some leaves from the garden, just junk from around the garden, different leaves and stems. And there it is, banana peels, a strawberry that went old, eggshells, coffee grinds, whatever ended up in the bucket in the kitchen. And there it is. That's how you compost in place. Now, everything goes back. No turning, no making compost in bins and going from one bin to another and moving it. This is it. This plant will feed all spring and summer off of that compost in there breaking down. All the earthworms and the bugs in the ground and the microbes will come in and they'll take care of that. And you know what? I've got some wood chips. Toss a little wood chips. And look at that's how easy it is. If you wanted to, you could dig a trench in front of your plants. You could do the same thing. You can collect all your kitchen scraps and your leaves from the garden, and you could do the same thing, make a trench and then cover it up. Now if you're worried about something digging it up, nothing's really going to dig it up, but if you're worried about it, put some pots on top. I can put my walking onions, I can put this kale with some oregano growing. If you wanted to, you could stick a stepping stone on top. Whatever you want to do. Nothing has bothered any of the compost that I have buried in my yard. But if you felt better doing it, if you had a dog, maybe do that. And that's it. This is incredibly easy. Anybody with a yard can do this. Of course, if you don't have a yard, then you go back and do the bins like I do. But if you have a yard and you're growing vegetable plants, there is nothing better, nothing easier than doing it this way. I'm into easy and I'm into fast. I have no time to be making my compost in sections and turning and cranking bins and everything. I don't have time for this. This is permanent. This is like nature. Things falling, it gets covered up and it breaks down into the ground. This plant is going to take off even bigger than it is now. Even these two plants, if the holes are on the bottom, they're going to benefit from the compost in the ground breaking down. So with that, I hope I've given you an idea. really, anybody can compost this way. So have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow, and please like and subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Bye-bye.